At AIS, we have extensive experience designing and fabricating custom attachments for equipment, as well as completing any structural repairs needed. From CAD to fabrication, we got you covered. We offer a complete line boring service where we can come to you to keep your equipment in top shape and job ready. Our 10 by 25 CNC cutting table is capable of cutting up to 2.5-inch thick steel and has 2 plasma units. We also have our 12-foot, 500-ton CNC brake press, allowing us to bend and form steel to precise measurements. In our shop, we also can assemble tracks for your equipment, making sure your machines are ready for the next job. We have a stud welder to create bolt and wear liners from 1/4 to 3/4-inch diameter for a fraction of the cost of countersinking. We have an inventory of bucket blanks ready to be installed. We precisely measure, weld, and test fit all products, ensuring reliability when put through tough environments. We are here to meet customers' complete metal fabrication and repair needs, either in our shop or at your location. We have a mechanical engineer on staff to design and fabricate custom attachments to suit specific needs. We can rebuild any attachment to better than new using Hardox wear plate, typically for around half the cost of replacing. We stock steel ranging from 16 gauge to 2-inch, along with hardened metric pin stock to make custom pins. With multiple welding and line boring trucks statewide, we're ready to meet you on site, and any fabrication services can run through our shops. So whether you are looking for design, fabrication, line boring, or repair, you can trust AIS Welding and Fabrication.